Welcome to our channel. Some of our videos have gained a lot of popularity. The Blue Sapphire Explained video, which crossed 200,000 views, I think. The How to Check Glass Fill Ruby in 30 Seconds, and a few others. Most of the comments have been asking us to produce more videos on other gemstones. So here's a video on tanzanites. We mostly manufacture calibrated tanzanites like these on the right. But once in a while, our factory produces these unheated tanzanites. So this video will be about the difference between heated and unheated tanzanites. And people have a lot of confusion about this. They think the unheated tanzanites will be more expensive and will give out an undesirable color. Well, guess what? Old is not gold anymore. The ones over here at the bottom, these are unheated. Yes, unheated, and these are not standard color of unheated tanzanites. These are special and are also marketed sometimes as teal color tanzanites. These are very special. This color is special because it has a brilliant bicolor in them, which is a greenish, violetish blue. However, once you heat them, you make them the standard tanzanite color, the classic, which everyone tends to like. So what is the point? So by using these unheated tanzanites, first, you're not only adding any treatment to your stone, which is perfect. You're not adding any treatment, and you can call it earth mined 100% natural. And most importantly, this also gives a unique color. Do you see these stones? These are uniquely colored. Every piece will be different. There's nothing common about them within each other except the color a little bit, but of course the hue and the saturation changes within each stone. When you see something like this on the internet or in real, this is pretty diagnostic of an unheated stone. However, of course, the gem laboratory test is the best way to do it. Most of the tanzanites, for this reason of uniformity, is heated to get a standard purple-violet color that we all have been seeing in the market. Now, the second most important point also here is unheated tanzanites are, in terms of price, less expensive. Yes, less expensive because less desirable. But that's the beauty of marketing, isn't it? Let's break this marketing today and start this new trend with unheated tanzanites. If you like this video, do not forget to subscribe for more videos from a gemological point of view from Navneet, and also like and share with your loved ones, friends, and customers to spread the beautiful world of unheated, unique colored tanzanites. Thank you very much.